Expert Sydney, and today she's going to share with us what financial decision has had the greatest impact in her life.
That's right. So the biggest financial decision that's impacted my life was definitely leaving my full-time job as an editor at the Daily Front Row, which is the fashion week publication, to go on my own and be independent. So obviously when you're working at a company, right, you're used to the security of a salary. You know how much money you're going to get each and every week or month, depending on how you're going to get paid. And while that's comforting, I realized that eventually that would make me stagnant, because in an industry like fashion or journalism, you can sort of only go so far at a certain point. So what I realized was it would be actually probably better in the long run to go on my own and to not just rely on one source of income, but rather to have multiple projects going on at the same time, because we all know now, especially during a pandemic, that you really can't be dependent on just one thing, with businesses going out of business and industries changing. So for the last several years, I've always worked on a lot of different, things, and that's really enabled me to kind of go after what I want, but also to be challenged and feeling like I have to, do certain things to get money versus just being comfortable in one position and having that come to me. So I would say that's the answer.